Yo, season 3 just came out.
Huh?
What part of that wasn't clear? Season 3 of Who Stole Jason's Cat is finally out.
Yo, for real? I've been waiting months for that.
Bet. Let me turn it on real quick while you go make some popcorn.
Okay, fine, whatever. I'll go make the popcorn.
Yo, where's the popcorn at?
It's in the cabinet beside the fridge.
Bet. Why is it in a bowl?
What do you mean?
Never mind. How long are we gonna microwave this for?
I don't know, like a minute or two? Put it in for a minute. Yo, can you toss me a can? Why not? Do you want Coke? Canada Dry? Sprite? Fanta? Toss me a Pepsi. I don't see any Pepsi. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Alright. It's only been 4 seconds? Yo. Yo. Huh? If you had to make an educated guess of how long it's been since I put that popcorn in the microwave, what would you guess? I don't know, like 4 seconds? Wow. I think I'm losing my mind. Okay, I'm not playing the waiting game. I'm gonna wash the dishes and let that finish. So it's in 20 seconds. That was 20 seconds. All those dishes was 20 seconds of my time. Man, I'm starting the episode. Yeah, nothing happens in the first 30 seconds anyways, you're good. Okay, that doesn't make sense anymore. Yo! What happened? Jason died! Jason. The little protagonist of the show. The dude they named the show after. Is dead in the first 30 seconds? What are you talking about? This is the 5th episode. He's already on the 5th episode. Hey yo, hurry up with that popcorn. Man, forget the popcorn. Let's see what I missed. Where are you going? The next season doesn't come out for a couple months.
What kind of sorcery is this? I don't get it. Time doesn't make sense anymore. I'm lost. I'm confused.
That popcorn tasted horrible. It took you eating the entire bag to notice that. You couldn't spare a singular kernel for me. Not a kernel. Why are you tripping? I'll just make you another bag. Why is it in a bag? Popcorn's always in a bag. Oh, yo, you gotta put them in for 2 minutes. It says right here. That's why they tasted so bad. There is no way in hell I'm waiting for those to finish popping.
Here, knock yourself out. You get the whole bag. You look stupid. You look like an idiot, a buffoon, a fool. I don't know why I'm your friend. I've never known. Matter of fact, we're done. You can leave.